Hi everyone, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to tell you 5 different ways that you can make money as a graphic designer or even a graphic design student who's just getting started. And the first one is T-shirt design. The first site we're going to talk about today is Redbubble. With Redbubble, you can sell your artwork on a lot of different things. So all you need to do is upload a high-res graphic and you can put it on all kinds of products. You can put it on clothing like t-shirts like this, phone cases, stickers, wall art, and a ton of other different things, even pillows like this. And the thing about these t-shirt sites is all you do is upload your digital artwork and they do the rest. So they'll ship it to the customer and they actually take most of the money because of that. So for example, this shirt is selling for $17.55. But the artist might only make about $2.50 from a sale of this shirt. The rest of it goes toward production costs for Redbubble, the company. We've actually ordered some of these t-shirts and they're really nice quality and they're really soft too. So we like the t-shirt quality, my husband and I, and the prints do look really good. Along those same lines is Threadless. Threadless also sells a bunch of different types of products. They've got tote bags, laundry bags, water bottles, phone cases, just a lot of the same products that Redbubble does. And this means you can put your artwork on both of these sites and reach a different customer base. So it's really nice. You don't have to only list it on one site. Cafe Press is yet another one. So now you have 3 different sites that you can sell the same graphic on. Zazzle is another example. A lot of really great products here that you can sell your artwork on. And then finally, Teespring. Although they call themselves Teespring, they also sell a lot of different products. So when you're uploading art, you can choose which of these products you want to sell it on. The second way you can make money as a graphic designer is to sell on Etsy. I personally sell SVG files and font files on Etsy. Here are some examples of SVG files. They're really more for crafters. But you only upload digital artwork and then the person on the other end downloads your digital artwork and puts it into a cutting machine and it'll cut out the shapes for them. This would be like a Cricut machine or a Silhouette Cameo. And as you can see, these are selling for pretty low amounts, 99 cents for this one, $3 for a lot of different designs. If you decide to sell SVG files on Etsy, you're really hoping that you'll sell a lot of the same design over time instead of making a lot of money all at once. Another place you can sell SVG files for crafters is design bundles. You can also sell fonts here. If you do want to start making SVG files, you might want to do some research. They are set up a little differently than a normal vector file, so you'll want to learn how to do it before actually trying to sell them, of course. I mentioned fonts, so let's take a look at some of the fonts that are available on Etsy. Fonts generally run anywhere from $5 to $7 on Etsy. Sometimes you'll see them a lot cheaper, like this $2 font here, but it's also a great place to buy fonts if you don't know how to make them yourself. The third place you can make money as a graphic designer is Creative Market. Now these are templates for other designers. So you'll be a graphic designer creating for other designers who don't have the time or maybe ability to create elements that they need for their projects. So here's a good example, PowerPoint presentations. You can create templates like these and upload them. These run about $15 to $25. And of course you won't get the full amount. Creative Market will take a cut of it, but it's a really nice site for making money, especially if you specialize as a graphic designer. Let's say you make tons of infographics and you know it inside out. You could set up some templates and sell them here. We kind of touched on this earlier, but selling fonts is the fourth way that you can make money as a graphic designer. You can do this on My Fonts, you can do it on Creative Market, Etsy, design bundles. There are a lot of places that allow you to sell fonts. The last way to make money as a graphic designer is to teach graphic design and sell your courses on Skillshare. You'll probably have to wait until a little later on in your career to be able to do this, otherwise you just won't have the knowledge set that it would take. But I would say once you're 5 years in, you are pretty much an expert at what you've been doing for the last 5 years. So go ahead and make a class and see how well it does. Another similar site to Skillshare is Udemy. Skillshare is more creative based. And Udemy will accept pretty much everything. We've got finance courses, Excel, and then also some art classes. All right, that's my video for this week. If you liked it, or if you have a question about how to make money as a graphic designer, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week with another graphic design video. Thank you.